Second, comprehensively deepen reform in line with the times. The road of reform is never ending. The road of reform is never smooth. Currently, reform is at a new historical juncture, with many unprecedented challenges emerging. So the complexity, sensitivity, and difficulty of pushing forward reform are no smaller than 4 decades ago. Therefore, we must, with greater political courage and wisdom, stick to the combination of crossing the river while filling the stone and strengthening top-level design. We will deepen the reform in crucial areas and key links with the right timing. We will pay more attention to the systematic, holistic, and coordinated effects of the reform, so that to enhance the comprehensive effect of the reform.
Through in-depth research, the CBC Central Committee has decided to take the 40th anniversary of the establishment of the Special Economic Zones as an opportunity to support the comprehensive reform pilot in Shenzhen, vest Shenzhen with more independent power in reforms in key areas and critical links through lists of batch authorizations, and launch 27 reform measures and the first batch of 40 authorization items. Shenzhen Special Economic Zone should shoulder its responsibilities, firmly follow the right direction, emancipate people's minds, and carry the essence of socialism with Chinese characteristics and innovate. The city should introduce a series of major reform measures in key areas and achieve a group of major replicable results in institutional innovation. It should focus on solving real problems facing high-quality development, address the needs for developing a higher-level socialist market economic system, plan for strategic and defining reforms, push forward creative and pioneering reforms so as to pilot and pioneer in making improvements in key areas, such as a market-oriented factor distribution mechanism, an integrated development mechanism for innovation chains and industrial chains, a market-oriented, law-based and internationalized business environment, a high-level open economic system, a supply system for livelihood services, a governance mechanism for ecological environment and urban spaces, etc. The city should optimize government management and services, implement the mechanisms of power list, responsibility list, and negative list in a comprehensive manner, and step up the formation of a close yet clean relationship between the government and businesses. We should also further galvanize and promote the entrepreneurship spirit, protect the legitimate rights and interests of entrepreneurs, property rights, as well as intellectual property rights in accordance with the law, so as to motivate entrepreneurs to start up and develop their businesses.